Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for this video is Bundling Scheme for Renewable Energy. Before we get into the details of the scheme, let us start with the ministry. It is actually the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. So if UPSC asks a question, which of the following ministries launched a scheme called Bundling Scheme? If they don't mention the word renewable energy, there is every possibility that you might mistake it for power. Therefore, please remember that this scheme is launched by MNRE and it is for renewable energy. Now, let us get into the details of the scheme. So, this scheme was launched with an objective to enhance the prevalence of renewable energy in our economy. So, this is to boost the renewable energy sector and at the same time also ensure round the clock power for wind and solar plants. So the scheme proposes to sell renewable energy together as a package. That is why it is called the bundle scheme. Now let us look into the details of the scheme. Generally, renewable energy sector has various problems. One of them is intermittency, limited hours of supply, and the next one is low capacity utilization at renewable energy plants. So this scheme has been designed in such a way that the government authorized intermediary agency would carry out auctions. So this auctions where power sellers can quote single composite tariffs for renewable energy based power combined with a single thermal fuel source. So what they are actually doing is combining renewable energy with traditional coal or gas sourced thermal sourced power. So as a result, what this will do is it will increase acceptance for renewable energy. So the intermediary agency will then sell this to the DISCOMs. So what is the energy structure in India? If you try to understand, nearly 70% of India's power is coal based. That is the reason why we can't have clean fuel or clean power, because if we are actually serious about reaching our Paris 2015 target, we cannot afford to miss this target. We have to definitely make a transition towards renewable energy, and this high dependence on coal will surely not get us there. Apart from this, the higher cost of thermal power is attributed to rising in the cost of coal imports, and there is no significant capacity addition as well. Therefore, solar and wind tariffs, which are getting cheaper than the cost of thermal power, is meant to be encouraged, and this is one such scheme in that direction. Now let us have a look at this question. Let us have a look at this first statement. Renewable energy component bought under this scheme shall be eligible for complying with renewable purchase obligation norms. Now I haven't discussed this intentionally because I am going to discuss this in this question. So if RPO is like an agreement to ensure that renewable energy gets a minimum price. Now if you make this ineligible for this RPO norms, how will it push the agenda of MNRE, or how will it push the agenda of renewable energy in our economy? Therefore obviously this statement is right. The second issue is power generator will be responsible for supplying the composite power. Previously, DISCOMs had the problem to integrate their renewable energy into their grids. Now, DISCOMs were forced to purchase renewable energy at a higher cost, and it resulted in cost failures for DISCOMs. Therefore, this bundling scheme is meant to handle this problem, and the onus of pushing this renewable energy is with the power generator. Therefore, both the statements are right. Now please pause the video and comment your answer in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Thank you.